Hello everyone and welcome to the Miniature Maker. I'm Ed and this is the second video where I'll be making a 2" by 2" miniature card. I'm going to be using the Waterfront Stamp Set from Stamping Up. Links will be in the description. So let's get ahead and go on with it. So today we're going to start with making the 2" by 2" card base. I'm going to start with using the green. This is the Call Me Clover green. Blends quite nicely with the matte. I'm going to cut it like the last video, 4" by 2". So put it into the bottom, into the trimmer at 2". And then 4". Then take it to 2", and we're going to score at 2". Fold it in half, use my scorer to flatten it out. Perfect. For the card front we're going to use a piece of Whisper White card here. Again I'm going to cut it down. This time I'm going to trim it to 1 7/8", so it's slightly shy of the 2" by 2" card. If you're working in metric, it's 4.5 centimeters. There we go. Keep that spare. Again, 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 square, like so. So today we're going to be using the Waterfront Stamp Set, all sorts of nice artistic backgrounds with a couple of sentiments on it. We're going to start with the one that looks like that, just for a bit of background. Bring in the 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 or 4.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Use a little bit of scrap white paper I've got flying around just to stamp onto. So going to load up a D-sized block. D-size. This is a Stamping Up one that's comes with one of the packs. It's not big enough, but it does the job. I'm going to use this green Call Me Clover ink pad. A little bit of ink, and straight on as a background. Now we're going to use stamp on, stamp off. So I've stamped it once. There's still enough ink left for me to sort of rotate it, give it another stamp, and I can actually do it 3 times, like so. A little bit dark on that side. Don't worry, we'll put a bit more on the bottom down here. Just what I'm looking for. Keep the green because we'll need it in a second. Okay, next from this pack we're going to be using the palm trees. Start with the 2 little stalks. Put those onto my B block, slightly smaller. Dab, 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 dab. I'm going to put the palm trees on the right hand side. That should do fine. Leaves, again in green. I'm doing it all in green because I quite like simple colours. Sometimes if you're adding a lot of texture and pattern and colours to these, they can become a bit over the top. I really love the little house that it comes with. Don't know if you can see that. Stamp, stamp, stamp. On it goes. A bit more on that just so you can see it. Perfect. The Itty Bitty Greetings comes in these 2 packs. Probably use, how about Have a Lucky Day. So for the sentiment I'm going to use a little bit of scrap card that I've got. Keep that out of the way for the minute. Use a little bit of scrap. It's just big enough. I prefer going onto a little separate piece rather than going straight onto the piece itself, just it doesn't show up as well. If you've got a black ink, that might be quite nice to stamp black directly onto there or stamp a black onto here. I've just noticed that corner's bent, so I'm going to have to re-stamp this. There we go, nice and square, nice and straight. Clean off the stamp, put it away. And that's all the stamping that we need to do. So we're going to take it. I could use the trimmer, but I'm going to use a pair of scissors, just because it's a little bit easier with these small pieces. Cut it there, cut it there, get rid of that. Look what we've got left. Right, I'm going to use some Tombow, Stampin' Up's glue. Look where we're going to put it first. I'm probably going to put it down here. There we go. Just before we glue this down to the card, I'm going to use a little punch. This is the envelope punch board, which has a nice reverse punch to make the rounded corners. I use it quite often just to round off the corners on some of these stamps. Put it in, click it down. I will be showing a video on this later, so stay tuned. Then gluing it down, a little bit of glue around the edges. Straight on. Something like that. So today we've made this Have a Lucky Day miniature card. It's the Call Me Clover colour from the Bright In Colours. Quite a nice little note card. What I've then done is I've gone on to use the other colours, so the blue, the yellow, and the red, the lovely lipstick from the In Colours. They're quite nice little note cards. What I would suggest possibly is gluing a little bit of white card into there, just so you're able to write on it. And I will be showing you how to make envelopes for these in the next video. So that's been me, Ed, the miniature maker. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the description below. All the products I've shown here will be in a blog in the description. If you could like and subscribe, that would help me out greatly. And share this video with everybody that might be interested in making these beautiful little 2" by 2" miniature cards. Thank you. Bye.